Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So it has been quite a time and quite a week also. By the way, I wanted to share some of the news also, and it was been really interesting how it has been going down into community. By the way, I do have a community in VIP chat. The link has been down given below in the comment section. I'll show you all the interesting thing that's been happening. So as you can see here also, like people are buying the cars with the signals and everything, and how they are been thanking each another, and how the all the group has been supporting each and everyone. So it's really interesting also. I'm liking it how I'm building it and everything. So step by step also. And people do call type me also personally. They ask me like, Safe, can you teach me a strategy for me, only for myself and everything. So there are many things that I keep mixing it up, gelling it up, and however how you know it, how can you say it, like amalgamating up, always mix it, always put the left to the right, right to the left and everything, and mix it up and make a thing. So it's like a cookery kind of thing, how you mix all your knowledge and first hand knowledge and everything and make it up one master art piece that you can always work it out. So today also I wanted to let you show, right now I just wanted to let you show that how it is. So all you need to do is just step by step, just follow the same thing what I'm doing it, and hopefully it works for you also. And of course, even if it does not works for you, you even have some kind of things when query, you can always type me on Telegram, and the link is down given below as always. So step by step. So two of the indicators will take it today. The first one we'll be taking is RSI. So here we took an RSI, and the second one we'll be taking is like somewhere or the other envelopes. So here as you can see envelope, all you need to do is change it to moving average to EMA. Like I always mention it for envelopes, like I always change this setting to EMA, and period should be always 16. I always mention it, I don't know why. It's like a finick for me that always helps me to make it a proper thing. So here you will change it to 2px everything. So here as you can see it like this, and here so RSI, here you will just make it to 22 styles, everything just make an opacity to 2px, so it's all clear to read it into a way. All right, and here also. So as you can see step by step. So right now I'll show you, it's 30, 50, 70, always the same game, different method, the same game, and the different method. So right now we'll start doing it, checking it step by step. So as you can see here, it was been a pullback here also, drastically it was been a pullback here also. This place as you can see for time of period like 2213 and everything. So here we'll take a downward trade also. The reason I took here also and downward trade right now, because I wanted to let you know like the first how it was been, like RSI was been below the baseline, it's not still crossing 50, and here also as you can see it was a downward trade. So but you need to be sure about it, like how we can make it. So here as you can see the first of the trade I took it, like purposely I made a mistake there, why I made it I also explained to you. Now right now I did it, but step by step you need to have a patience a little bit and need to understand both it, analyze it the both, like you need to be sure about these two indicators and then make a trade, So let's take another one. So here as you can see, it was been a pullback here also, and it was been above the 50 baseline and everything. So this also seems to be a little risky trade. You need to have patience, like step by step you need to have patience. You need to know also, like here also why I took an upper trade right now. The reason I took here also an upper trade, because above the baseline RSI, little bit of slightly pullback, and here also as you can see how it was been shivering it up here also. So there is no overlapping of both the envelopes, as I always mention you, no overlapping, no nothing, clear cut, sure shot thing to take an upper trade also. So that is the reason I took here also an upper trade. So this kind of things you need to understand it, and how we tend to maintain it and make it a way also. So again 2888, again we are into a good profit in this. So I wanted to show you also like how we can be a little bit sure shot about taking the trades and making it happen. So let's do it. Third one. Let's do it. Third one here. This also seems to be a little bit here, as you can see it, 22, 15 and 13, and it has been slightly, and as you can see here also how the market has been into a very risky position from here, this place and this place and this place and here also. So as you can see it into a way. So let's go, we'll check. This is also not feasible for us. Let's see which currencies and available market is feasible for us. So here I take a downward trade right now. The reason I took here also a downward trade, because it's very important to see like how both the indicators are been showing like one feasible thing that it can happen to make it for the short things, you know. So that is the reason I took here also, where you can see it's like mostly as you can see like how it is being going for a downtrend and uptrend. You don't need to always make it sure and analyze it with a graphic method and everything, like how it is working it into a way. So again 2880, so again we are into this kind of things. So that is the thing. So here you can see, so let's take one more last trade and figure it out. Here also, as you can see, let's change an amount to 2000. Here also slightly pullbacks, as you can see, it was not been such a pullback, it's about to be like this into a way. So here also, this also does not seems to be a good trade for us. So here let's check it out here, and above that also it has been slanting it. So here we'll take an upward trade also right now. The reason I took here also an upward trade, as you can see like how it was been a pullback here also, as you can see for the green, red and the things yellow. So this how you need to analyze it somewhere or the other. First thing, as soon as you see the charts with the indicators how it has been overlapping it, you tend to understand it. It's many of the times it's kind of hacky wacky, as we say it, because many of the people, they don't understand the thing how we are maintaining it and everything. So here again also you can see it. So that is what the thing I wanted to let you know also. And all the things I wanted to specially to make you understand into a way also, like how this kind of small things can matter. This kind of small things I wanted to speak into a detail also, and it matters also, and how it affects our trade also. So you need to understand this. I always say to the people, I always say into VIP chat groups and everything. So you know all the basics, all the links have been down given below. If you have any doubts and concern, you can type me. Thank you so much. We'll be waiting for you, all your answers and messages. So thank you so much. Take care everyone.